Kyiv. There is some interesting situation in Kyiv because Kyiv has special status, and Kyiv should realize some state things like, I don't know, like care about some administrative buildings, yeah, about embassies or other things. And in Kyiv, there is no executive body too, but on local level, council can elect the executive body, not in Kyiv. Here, like in regional level, and there is executive body like administration too, because Kyiv has special status like our capital. And mayor of the Kyiv is the head of our Kyiv City Council and head of our executive body, Kyiv State Administration. As you know, our mayor is Klitschko. Yeah? Yeah. He is our strongman, but he is not so strong like a Superman or like a Bruce Willis, I don't know. And he tries to fix all the problem in Kyiv, but he shouldn't do it. Because Kyiv has many, about 3 million citizens, is official statistic. But just one council. And actually, one council, one Kyiv council, can't fix all our problems. 3 million people. And Kyiv has 10 districts. And in normal situation, if you want to have real self-government, and if we want to realize principle of subsidiarity, we should have 10 councils to fix all our problems. But, and actually Kyiv has, and Ukraine has other problem. We don't have law about local referendums. And we have bad legislation about local meetings or other our local possibilities.